Hey, all you naturophiles! We are here in Ku-ring-gai National Park, and we're on the Basin Trail. Never done this one before, but let's go do it together. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots. Let's get going. So, as you can see, there's an Aboriginal engraving site this way, and we're gonna go check it out. We are headed that way, not that way. There's a sign here that says steep climb. A bit late for that one. So here we are at the basin. It's basically there and back, so I've got the pleasure of walking back up that hill. But as you can see, it's a pretty cool spot. Right down by the water, plenty of places for you to swim, and you get to meet the local wildlife too. I don't know how busy it gets on weekends, so keep that in mind, but this is a Saturday, so apparently not too bad. Come check it out sometime for yourself. I'm gonna walk my butt back up to the top and then wrap up there. Hope you've enjoyed it so far, but let's continue. Well, I'll continue if you get to sit there and relax. Let's go. So, as you can see, I am on the uphill part, slowly dying inside. I have not had a shower. This is just sweat pouring off of my face. My fat cell's crying, as I like to say. Anyways, onwards, upwards, back to the car. I guess you'll only see this if I actually make it, so fingers crossed. Let's keep going. So, that concludes the Basin Track. As you can see, it was a fairly easy walk, just that horrible incline towards the middle section where you have to go down and come back up. But it's definitely worth it. Come on a nice day and check it out for yourself. You can probably have a swim, a picnic, bring some friends along, just relax for a bit and then come back up in the afternoon. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one.